here at Loki Motorsports Round 5. Look at this bitch.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's an amazing day and it's really loud, so I gotta scream. Welcome back, guys. I'm sorry, I'm really hyped and I'm really pumped today because it's round 5 of Lone Star Drift and it is an amazing day in Gulf Greyhound Park. It's a little warm. Adam can attest. Adam, it's a little warm, right?
A little warm, yes.
Tad.
And muggy.
Oh God, it's humid. It is humid. But it's an awesome, awesome course layout. It's real tricky in these little cars because I gotta go flat out all the way to the wall and then try to whip it as hard as I can. But I love the track, I love the layout, I love all of this. I am happy, I'm excited, I'm ready to rock and roll. God, it's an amazing week. Now that I got all that out of my system, it's time to get back in the car, do a little bit more driving, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys. I'm gonna talk a little bit more because I need some track time. Today is comp day for me, and I need as much track time as I can get because it is really, really hard to drive this track with this little car right now. So, I'll be right back. Hey everybody, it's like 2 hours since last time I touched a camera. Couple updates. 1, Miata's broken again, sort of. 2, it's hot, it's getting hotter. 3, car was doing good. 4, I gotta show you Stone's car because that one's an interesting story, we'll go check that out. But the Miata's messed up again. I think it's Sam diagnosed it as the line going from the master to the slave. Right where the fitting is for the slave cylinder, it looks like it's leaking, so we're going to try to either tighten that down or we might just replace that line again real quick. However we do it, we do it. And I'm hiding inside the RV because it's still like 98 degrees outside and no wind somehow. I don't know how we have no wind today because every time we're here it's like blowing like 20 miles an hour. And the one day we need wind, it's no wind in sight. Oh, let's go berate Jesse. I'm gonna go bug Jesse if you don't mind. What'd you break?
Nothing. I'm redoing my camber because on this particular track you can see from this tire and the tire on that side, you're getting a lot of camber wear to the passenger side of the tires. So right now I'm just adjusting the camber plates to get more life, more grip, more traction on this track out of the tires. So nothing's broken.
So by the way, if you guys don't remember, this is Jesse. And this weekend you might see me berate him like religiously about filming because he's supposed to be getting his channel fixed and going. So
yeah.
If you notice that I'm pestering him a lot, that's why. So oh man. Good luck, Jesse. I'm gonna go. All right, we're gonna go bug Stone and see how heartbroken he is. Adam, don't kill anybody, please. We've already had a fire and an accident. We don't need manslaughter today.
Yeah, we ain't doing that.
No, that's all it is, a Mustang. It's just a weekend of broken cars again. They're fixable breakages aside from Stone's, who's pretty well broken. So yeah, well, I'm gonna take a 5-minute break here. I gotta get out of the heat and kind of cool off a little bit more. I'm just waiting on Sam. He ran out to go get some more brake fluid because we have to run .5 in this thing because it overheats and just does not work at all if I don't run .5. So I'm gonna take a 5er and I'll check back with you guys in a couple minutes and we'll go from there. Camper. Fixed the Miata. I didn't film any of it because it's hot and I was out riding with Jesse while Sam was fixing it, but we blew out the master cylinder, so that is now the second master cylinder, or sorry, slave cylinder. I blew out the slave cylinder. So it's the second one I've gone through now. So I think I might need to find a different option. If anybody knows anything, leave me a comment down below. Like, you know, like an upgraded master cylinder for a Miata, or sorry, slave. I keep saying master. Upgraded slave cylinder for a Miata. That would be awesome. Whew. Sorry, it's still really hot out, and I'm kind of dehydrated. It's like real bad right now. Driver's meeting's in a couple of minutes. I just went and grabbed my hat and glasses. I'm gonna re-wet my neck thing to cool off a little bit more. Then I'm gonna head up to driver's meeting and go get oriented for this race. So I kind of know like what we're doing here, because I don't know where they're judging us from. We're gonna go do that, and I'm just gonna try to. I know my energy level's like faded, guys. I'm sorry. Like it's not super hot out, but it's super humid and it's making it worse. So I'm just trying to stay on top of like not being dehydrated and not feeling like crap, and being able to talk to you guys and not be super low energy and not be, you know, I'm trying to stay on top of the day and try to not get dehydrated and get sick. So sorry if I seem like I'm a little low energy right now. I was real high energy this morning. I burned a lot of my energy just driving and getting the car fixed and doing other stuff. So I apologize, but I'm gonna try to keep this level, at least this level of energy for you guys throughout the rest of this video. Hopefully by tonight, I'll be able to calm down a little bit more, cool off a little bit more, and I'll be able to keep going. Alright guys, so it's been a little bit. Comp is over. I lost to our buddy Brad. He beat me fair and square. I completely foobarred that run. I screwed it up. I got real skitty and I fucked up. Alright, I fucked up. I fucked up my run. I had a shitty line. I spun twice. He beat me. Sucks. What sucks even more is that in the last 2 hours I've been out on the track just playing around. I think there's some GoPro footage. I hope it captured it because the camera died. I freaking linked the track. I'm so happy. This is the first time I've linked the track with this car. I am ecstatic. I'm so happy right now that I managed to pull that off. But we have another small issue. Stay. I didn't break anything this time though. You're breaking everything. So my catch can is now officially full. We need to drain that. Okay, I'm gonna help Sam before he burns himself on hot oil. Be right back. What's up everybody? So we're just chilling. It's about midnight. What time is it?
Yeah.
It's almost exactly midnight. It's, like, it's late. We just got done. I was hanging out at the party, trackside party. I didn't film most of that because we get a little rowdy over there. Jesse was hiding out at a baseball game.
Yeah.
So.
Houston Astros versus Texas Rangers. Unfortunately, Astros kind of took a L.
I'm a Yankees fan, so we're hanging out with Jesse, Sam, who you all have met, and he's now fixed my car twice.
I've drank a little, and I'm a skinny dude, so yeah.
You met Sam. He's now fixed my car. Okay, so hold up. So I told these guys earlier that my car broke. You want to explain to them what I did? Because this is now like the third slave cylinder we put on it.
This one wasn't your fault this time.
You say that.
It was poor quality of parts.
Don't lie to me.
It was a mechanical error.
Yeah, it just like the slave cylinder just puked.
Yeah, just like what the plunger like extended too far or something.
Yeah,
I don't know how.
Big shout out to fucking Danny, man. Like this motherfucker is ninth. Ninth.
Officially an hour ago. I'm ninth.
Yeah, an hour ago he is ninth for season points for Texas Street Legal and Lone Star Drift. And this motherfucker is linking this course together, getting shit solid. So Danny is definitely at a point to where he's able to stand out, and he's doing a great job. He's in ninth place. He's linking the course. His skill is growing as he's going, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
But yeah, he's doing a fucking badass job. You guys should definitely like follow his shit because there's more shit to come, and we're always gonna do crazy gangster stuff.
And I'm not, and so in all that like follow stuff. So there's a like button down there. Hit that, and then the subscribe button. Hit that for a bunch of reasons. One, we've got Jesse's Supra, which you guys have. I don't know. I never posted that video. I gave you all that video. There's a Mark III Supra. I'll show you guys tomorrow. It's that black thing that's probably in the background of like everything I've been shooting today. We have more to do on your car because yours had a full body kit. You remove the full body kit with a cone. No, was it? What'd you hit?
Okay, so
sorry, John.
So, anyways, we did Texas Motor Speedway, and I did a 4th gear entry, and I went full Dukes of Hazzard.
We've got stuff to fix on his car. It's mostly dialed in today. Jesse did really good in practice for the 30 laps he took or whatever it was. His car is dialed in. My car was doing good all morning. Then the clutch slave just puked on me sitting on grid, which was the weirdest thing in the world because I was sitting there holding the clutch in, and as I'm sitting there, all I hear is the car go.
He killed it.
Like, what the hell? Go to lift my foot off clutch, push it in, nothing. I had to push the car all the way back off grid. Thankfully, it was just a slave. I was honestly like, oh God, did we bend the fork? Is the slave, is the throwout blowing up again? I got so nervous. I've been fighting just clutch issues for, what, 3 rounds?
Pretty much every round.
No, yeah, oh my God. Yeah, we've been doing it all season. Round 1, I replaced the entire hydraulic system. They're out through the clutch feed.
Everything. Like anything clutch related is like...
Oh God. So yeah, that was awesome. That was interesting. We fixed it. I went back out, got beat by Braddy, Big Daddy Braddy, which again we'll link all that stuff down below because Brad's an awesome guy. He throws a mean. I guess his is a Torrento, but it's 11 front end, right?
Oh, it's 11, I guess. Well,
but it's left-hand drive.
Yeah, it's just converted, I guess.
Oh, it's an 86. It's literally looks like
sexy A86.
Yeah, it's what Sam's car should look like. Instead, Sam's car looks like this. Insert picture of Sam's car on blocks.
It's sad right now.
It is. It's very sad, but he's got an awesome car. I don't feel bad losing to him. He's a much better driver than I am. I learned a lot today. The thing that pisses me off the most. Oh, what do you want to talk now?
No.
Okay.
No. Go ahead.
The thing that pisses me off the most of all of this is literally I go out there with him and I choked under like the crowd pressure and I drove a crappy line. Second comp finished, I went out there and threw that car again and just linked the whole course. Just one shot. Done.
Had no problem.
Right?
Yeah,
Everybody's proud of him. Everybody's proud of him.
0 issue, but I couldn't do that in comp.